Whenever I water my lettuce with this, it grows much faster and the heads become impressively large. Today, I'm going to share an incredibly simple yet highly effective way to feed your lettuce. The best part is that it's completely free. Planting lettuce in October is important because it allows you to grow fresh vegetables throughout the autumn and winter months. The mild climate and still relatively warm days help the plants establish strong roots before the first frosts arrive. Success begins with properly preparing the soil. It should be loose, rich in humus, and well drained, since lettuce does not tolerate waterlogging, which can cause root rot. Before planting, it's recommended to add mature compost or organic fertilizer to provide enough nutrients for healthy growth. Lettuce seedlings should be spaced about 25 to 30 centimeters apart, so that each plant has room to develop fully. Watering should be consistent but moderate, especially during warmer autumn days. October is also the perfect time to choose varieties that are resistant to colder temperatures, ensuring the lettuce thrives even in late autumn. With the right care, lettuce planted in October will provide a fresh and healthy harvest when many other vegetables have already stopped producing, making it an excellent choice for any garden. To prepare this natural fertilizer, add a tablespoon of dried nettle to half a liter of hot water. Nettle is rich in nitrogen, which encourages rapid leaf growth and the formation of full, lush heads. In addition to nitrogen, it contains small amounts of potassium, phosphorus, iron, and magnesium, all vital minerals for healthy plant development and resilience. After planting, lettuce benefits most from nitrogen for leafy growth, a little potassium for firm leaves, and phosphorus to strengthen the roots. Regular feeding with nettle helps the plants remain green, juicy, and resistant to disease. You can collect nettle for free, preferably in spring or early summer when the leaves are at their juiciest and most nutrient-dense. To make the feed, pour water over the leaves and stems. Let sit for a while, then dilute and water the lettuce directly at the soil level. This natural fertilizer strengthens the plants, improves leaf quality, and helps your lettuce reach its full potential. Strain the liquid and mix it with another half liter of water. Water the lettuce every 7 to 10 days, giving each plant about 250 milliliters of this nutrient-rich solution. Friends, write in the comments how you feed your lettuce after planting, and be sure to share this video with your friends so they can benefit too. Thank you and happy gardening.